What is up, everyone? Welcome back to another Roblox video. This is going to be the 5th tutorial on my how to make a simulator series. So, sorry if my voice is a little low. It is late, so I need, I'm kind of tired. So, first off, today we're going to be showing you guys. I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a door that requires like coins to purchase and go through, like a magnet simulator and stuff like that. So what we're going to do is first we're going to put the script in here. So this is our data store script, if you guys don't know. So yeah, basically what you guys want to do with the data store script, it's pretty simple. If you guys don't want to do this, it's in the description as always. You want to add a new bool value called iStoreBot. So once that's in there, you can start going ahead. So I have a pre-made UI, so I'm going to throw this in real quick. Alright, so this is my pre-made UI. So you want to name this store UI, so you want to have it set up so basically when you click the cancel button, it sets the frame to false, which is pretty simple. If you guys don't want to do this, it's in the description. I'm just showing you guys, giving you guys the run through everything. So, and of course we have our buy script. So if our cash.value is over 1,000 and the player is able to purchase it, then this will happen. Actually, you know what? We're gonna change this right now. Give me a second. Let me copy the iStore we have right here. Oops. Let me copy the iStore that we pre-made. Okay, so actually gonna do this. If player dot leader stats wait for child cash dot value. Well, what did we say in here? My mouse keeps randomly freezing. Okay, if it was over. Okay, so now we're only doing it if it's over 1,000. We're gonna trigger this, so we can just delete this because obviously we're gonna keep it just because in case someone like glitches it somehow on and somehow gets a negative number, that'll work. So right here we have our door, which is going to be in the workspace. So basically it's just the hit script or an on-touch script that basically triggers a UI through the replicated storage. So what we're going to actually put in here is we're going to put a remote event in here called frozen cavern hit, which is what I called this little door. So frozen cavern hit. So this is going to give players access to the frozen cave, I guess you could say. So now what we're going to do is we're also going to need to put something in here. We're going to need to drag into here a thing called open iStore. You guys can call it whatever you want. It's up to you, but you just want to put something in. You want to make sure can collide is disabled so the player can walk right through it. So now that this is in here, let's match this up just like so. Let's just put this right here. Alright, let me just make sure this looks nice. Put that right there. Alright. So now you guys want to drag this into replicated storage now that you lined it up with that. So now that that's done, we're going to put a local script in here. I'm actually going to script this for you guys real quick just because I don't want to skip through the entire thing. So what we're going to do is we're going to declare all our variables. So the part equals game.workspace .iStore. So what this is doing is it's only allowing the player to see these parts. So only if the player has their iStore unlocked value set to true, which is the boolean value, then they can see the part. So this is why we have to do it in a local script. So local part2 equals game.replicated storage open iStore. So now we can do this while true do wait. You want to just repeat wait and then local player. I'm going to declare all your variables here. Players.local player. Local iStore equals player. Wait for child, and then we're going to get our boolean, which is iStore. So now that's done. Okay, so now if iStore.value equals true, then we're going to destroy the iStore, and we're gonna clone part 2, so part 2 clone, and then part 2.parent equals game.workspace. So what these lines of code right here are doing is that it destroys, oops, actually no, that's not the right thing. Oh wait, yes it is. Okay, so it destroys the normal iStore, which is this. Let me just disable this, this is annoying. It destroys the normal iStore, and it clones the unlocked iStore, which lets the player walk through it. Now this is only visible to the player, so I can verify for that for you guys and show it to you in a normal server in a second. So what we're gonna do real quick now is we're gonna make it so we have an event that enables the door UI, because we can't do that from, you can't call that event from the server, so we have to use a remote event. So game.replicated storage dot what is it called, frozen cavern hit dot on client event connect, and then we want to get just the function local player equals game.players.local player, and then script.parent.door UI.enabled equals true. So now if you guys go in game, you can log in, you can not log in, you can join the game. You can see, oops, we spawned it on the wrong side. We have an error here, connect. Alright. I spelled it wrong, of course. Oops, okay. So let's find where that is. Connect. Let's make sure that's the only error. Yep, that's the only error. Alright, so when we fix this, everything should be good. Let's join the game. Data store is not working, but that's fine. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna set our cache value to 1,000. Or 10,000 rather. We're gonna touch the, oh my god, we set it to the wrong thing. Let's just do this, I don't care. Okay. I don't know how many of you are actually gonna make it this far, but if you do, you guys see how hard it is to do this. So we click this, and then you can throw 1,000 cash onto us real quick. So now if you guys see, as soon as you click purchase, this door is gonna turn green. So see, it turns green, and now you can walk right through it. So yeah, that's basically it. And I'll load up a server to show you guys real quick, 2-player server. So yeah, let me just see if this is gonna work. I think we might need to, let me switch displays real quick. Oops, that's not what I meant to do. That's not what I meant to do. Okay. So don't mind me while I switch displays. Okay, so if you guys see now, we're in the game. So let's make we're player 2. No, we're player 2. Okay, so let's make our cache value 1,000. Let's go ahead and purchase the door. Purchase. And so now, if you guys can see on this player screen, he cannot walk through the door. It just brings up the do you want to purchase little thing every time. But if you go on this player screen, he can walk right through the door. But this player cannot. He can't walk through it. So that's basically it. The download to how to, like, you know, the download link to the model will be in the description below. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and that's pretty much it. Peace out.